I might be able to dance again. I have nerve damage down the thigh. I ripped it open. I got slammed by a set piece and it shredded my thigh. It looked like I was mauled by a tiger. Had that injury, didn't know it was as bad as it was, continued to dance on it and fell onto a wooden stair on the corner, and it gave me a huge bruise, a hematoma, so this butt cheek got almost twice as big as the other one.
How long ago?
7 years ago?
So you've been like this for 7 years?
Oh, calcified hematoma right there. There's things I don't feel.
Yeah, you're numb.
Yeah, it's nerve damage and all screwed up. Ooh. Sorry. I have a different pelvis. Wow. Wow. Oh. I have a butt again.
God bless you.